all the pain.
Next video editing app is Power Director from Cyberlink, and it is a very good app if it is considered for the price. It is offering it has all the features that a video editor should have and all for free of cost. Now in order to get other advanced features we have to buy the app, but it is not mandatory, and also you can edit the videos like a professional just by using the free version. The only problem that seems to be have is the watermark that it puts on the video. Well, that shouldn't be any problem if you ask me, but if you wanna get rid of that, go ahead and just buy it. Cyberlink Power Director provide enough material to produce an awesome looking video. It also give you freedom to manipulate the colors. You can make smooth cinematic videos by just using your smartphone, which bring us to our next video editing app. So the next video editing app is quite popular. I think most of you must have known about this app, which is called KineMaster. Nowadays most of the people use KineMaster to produce an awesome looking video. It is not used for just for video editing, but it's also used for creating powerful effect that most of the PC products aren't able to do. The timeline mode of KineMaster give access to users to a better view of the entire timeline. It also makes the workflow much faster. Other apps like Power Director it also provide watermarks too. The entire video, so in order to get rid of it you have to buy the full app. KineMaster give access to the advanced level in free version, so that you can use green screen effects in the free version also. If you want you can buy more effects from the KineMaster store. Now the last but not the least video editing app, which is Filmora Go. Nowadays Filmora Go is getting popular day by day. I personally like this app because it doesn't provide watermark to the entire video. Instead it leaves you edit the video and it puts watermarks at the end of video, and that shouldn't be any problem for most of the user. It's also give lots of free resources that you can use on the free version of Filmora. Filmora give access to the edit video at a faster rate. It's also give you themes that you can directly use in your video without using a lot of hard work. You can apply transition in the video, the editing tools you have, subtitle, crops, voiceover. You can use PIP audio mixing. The free filters are even included, which can be used by the free user. I really like this app, so now it's time for you to choose which app is best for you. I'll leave the links down in the description, so make sure you check out. So that being said, video ends here. I'll back in next video. Thank you so much for watching.